Can't you? Oh yeah, now I can hear you. Yeah,
Can you hear me?
yeah. Now I can.
My first Insta live chat.
Yeah. Welcome. You make your debut here.
Yeah, but I don't do all this.
I
I
know.
I, I
I
told
know.
my no, my
Yeah.
like, no, you just do it. It's okay. It's for CS. Like, okay,
Ranveer is saying, Sakshi, what's up?
okay, hi.
Ranveer
How?
Singh. Yeah. But I like the choice of color, by the way, because that's the first thing we need to talk about. Like, nice color. You're looking lovely. I love it.
No, I have a
And
lot
but
of wardrobe, so and it's summertime. It's hot in Ranchi.
yeah,
It's hot today. So it's humid.
yeah, yeah. And today it's possibly going to rain because the weather's also a little gloomy. So yeah, let's
Drizzle
hope for.
for precisely 5 minutes, and it's all gone now.
Wow, nice. Ranveer Singh very impressed. He's like first ever Wah Dhamaka debut. वो तो है. That's so we all know that comes with the trade. But Sakshi, thank you so much. Really, it's been really sweet of you to come on and speak to us. You know, all your fans, everyone who've been waiting to see you. It's really
Mahi
sweet.
fans, not mine. All Mahi's fans follow me, so that's Instagram is like good followers I have, thanks to
Yeah,
Mahi's fans.
yeah. All love. It's all genuine affection and
I,
love. Yeah. But I want to ask you, Sakshi, how has lockdown been? Has there been a sense of restlessness amongst all of you? Of course, with Ziva and MS, has there been a bit of restlessness about?
so to be honest, we've always lived like this in Ranchi.
Hmm.
Maximum Mahi used to go to the stadium to practice, which is like
Hmm.
10 minutes drive home, and I used to go to the gym. Otherwise,
Hmm.
we all stayed at home. We didn't do anything. It was like we were homebound. And maximum, yeah, obviously Ziva used to go to school. That's it.
Yeah.
And Mahi's friends used to come, like they used to come home. That's it. Otherwise, we are fine. Divas kept us occupied. The dogs have kept us occupied. So yeah, it's been busy.
Yeah, I know, and all the few little glimpses in the lives that you've given, of course, has given a lot of us a lot of happiness and positivity. I think that's the most important thing in a lockdown. But has anything different happened? Have you or MS done something new, tried a new activity, or done something, explored anything new in this time at all?
No, not really. But Mahi has sort of assembled about 7 bikes all by himself. He's restored them actually. Old bikes. He opened them up and he bought like parts. So he assembled it. I'm like, wow, like 9 bikes all alone.
Wow.
He's
How
sitting
did
and
he have a manual? How did he go?
I don't know,
Just
like he reads up about it and he does it.
wow. That is
So
amazing. I think that's incredible.
he was doing he was assembling a bike and he like fully assembled it. I
Hmm.
don't know what that part called. He forgot to put that part, so the bike was not starting. So he had to open the next day. He's like, no, Sakshi, I assembled the whole thing, and imagine I forgot to put one thing which is lying right in front. So the next day
You're
he had
like,
to open up the bike, like completely rip off the bike, and then just to put that part, he had to do it all over again.
wow. So he can also go wrong when it comes to bikes. Yeah, it's good to know. It's good to know that he's also not perfect.
No, 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 he's not perfect at all.
No, but you've also been doing a lot of. I mean, it's interesting. I mean, obviously, because from whatever interactions we've had, Sakshi, I know how you're always cheerful, you're always bubbly, smiling. But this side to you that I didn't know, of course, was poetry and writing, and that was nice. How did that come about, and what made you
That
do all of that? It's interesting.
I can go wrong also. Like, it was like there's so much time and I was pretty bored. So I'm like, okay, let me write. People are like discovering themselves. So I
Yeah.
also writing. But I can like I can go wrong with my poetry. Like I'm not like perfect. So
Yeah.
yeah,
No, but it's good to explore. It's always nice place to explore and start.
that's true.
Yeah. But I definitely, of course, the other thing that we really have to talk about, we really wanted to, of course, have a chat about was the fact that in July you're going to complete 10 years of marriage
Yes.
with Mahi. That is incredible to be
Yeah.
married. for 10 years is incredible. How's that? How has it been, Sakshi? How's the journey been for you?
Uh, I would say it's been good.
Hmm.
It's been good. Yes. Like honestly speaking, whatever like I've seen the world through Mahi, to be honest. I
Yeah.
was in college and I graduated from college, and within a month I got married to him. So
Hmm.
whatever I've seen it through him. And before that, before college, I was in a boarding school. So you know, like how protected you are in a boarding school. And even
Hmm.
college was like boarding college. Again, you were protected. So yeah, whatever the world, whatever I've learned it with him, through him.
Wow. If you had to pick a particular moment over the last 10 years that you cherish the most, what would it be, Sakshi?
When he got honored, uh,
Hmm.
like obviously Padma Bhushan, and then
Yes.
he got like his honorary rank as Lieutenant Colonel,
Yes. Yes.
and then the World Cup 2011.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah,
Those are special memories for sure. Is it?
actually,
But
a lot of memories with him, but like you know, these are the top three.
yeah, of course, understandably so. But you mentioned, of course, all these moments, and I want to ask you, how is it like? I mean, we of course see him on the field. We know just like 10% of what the person he is, and you are, of course, someone who's the closest to him. He's so calm, and there's nothing about it. You don't know what's happening between those 2 years.
He's not calm.
Yeah, we don't want to get into a certain bits of that, but yeah, I want to know how he's like at home. Can you tell when something upsets him? Can you tell when his mood changes?
I'm the only one who can upset him. I have that I have that thing in me. I can, you know, he's like calm about everything. So, you
Yeah.
know, I'm the only one who can like provoke him or upset him because I'm the closest to him, obviously.
Yeah.
So yeah, kahin aur ka gussa comes out on me, I'm fine with it because you know I'm the closest again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where else will he take out?
Yeah. No bowlers should talk
Part,
to you for tips, huh?
that's part.
No bowlers should talk to you for tips on how to upset Mahi.
It's very easy for me. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. So, does this is there has he managed to upset you or kind of pull a bit of your trigger as well, or is it just you who kind of cracked it?
When you're married for 10 years, you know each other in and out, and you argue, you fight, then you make up. It's all part of being married.
Yeah.
So it's fine also to fight with him at times because nobody picks a fight with him. Like, I'm the only one.
No,
Everybody should be up to him. Honestly,
there's this
it's
there's some
cute.
pictures I want to show, Sakshi. These are cute ones which we have kind of compiled, and we really want you to have a look at it. And this one I think is what I should start off with. I think this is really cute. This is like a mashup of all these cute little moments. Can you see them?
Yes. Yeah. I have a memory with each actually. That you have the Dhanolti picture on that was like before marriage.
Yeah, we just managed to get a few of those. Just wanted you to kind of talk through some of those moments. He's tying your shoelace in one. He's perpetually doing like amazing tasks like tying your shoelace there, something there, and of course the
So
finishes at the.
we were going out for dinner. We were in Dubai, I think. Yeah, we were going out for dinner. He knew that he'd do it. He'd do it fast. We were waiting for the lift, and the lift had come. So he's like, "Let me do it for you." I'm like, "Okay." He knew he'll do it quicker than me. So I'm like, "Okay."
Cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are some nice moments. We just wanted to I just wanted to get that picture across, and so you can relive some of those memories. But you do, of course, talk about how he's at home. Do you guys talk cricket though, Sakshi? Is that a
No,
conversation?
not at all.
Hmm.
Not at
Do you
all.
think that's really important to keep that part aspect outside the house?
That's his profession. See, today, like suppose, like you know, your husband goes to office and you start asking them, "Oh, what did you do? What did your boss say? What did your like?" You can't. What did
Hmm.
talk about all that?
Yeah.
They're
And so,
professionals. Professional. You cannot talk about his baby, his love.
yeah.
Yeah.
We were having this conversation also a little bit earlier, Sakshi, where you told me how when we were discussing about this, and I said, we should talk about the sacrifices and stuff, and you say, no, I can't call it sacrifices. Sacrifice is something that army guys do. I thought it was very interesting. How difficult or easy has it been for you to know that, this is important for him? This is what I need to talk to him about. I should not talk to him about this. Should not ask him about this. How have you been able to negotiate that?
No, it's been easy. He's like, first of all, we don't discuss cricket, okay?
Yeah.
And actually, everything has been easy. Yeah, it's not
just know it.
Like even like when Ziva happened, like Ziva was like a pre-planned baby. So I knew she's gonna happen like during the World Cup and everything, and it didn't make sense for him to come back to see her, take 2 flights, that too, just before the World Cup started. So I'm like, okay. And like everybody in the hospital, like, oh, your husband's not coming. I'm like, it's fine. It doesn't matter. Cricket is priority, and he's my priority. So whatever his priority is my priority. So yeah, that was one. And people still tell me, oh, he was not there. How you have to sacrifice so much being alive. I'm like, no, nothing. It's all out of love. When you're in love, you cannot call it sacrifice. You just do it because you love that person.
Yeah, because he would probably do the same thing if it was you, and you would do that. It's just natural.
Yeah, it's just natural. Yeah.
There's something else I want to ask you about, of course, is that, as someone who was obviously a lot in the public scanner, both of you are, in many ways. There's obviously so many of these rumors that keep floating about, or controversies that keep coming up. How do you tackle that? You have to tell me which is the funniest or the weirdest that you have heard about both of you, and how do you tackle it?
So like when we got married, like you tend to put on weight, and I started eating what Mahi eat: butter chicken, masala dosa. So I landed up eating, and I landed up gaining few kgs, and then suddenly like obviously I'd put on weight, and it's like, oh, she's pregnant. So every year I was pregnant basically. Used to put on weight and I used to lose weight, whatever. But then when I got pregnant, nobody got to know. This was like, these are, and plus there's one more rumor, like when Mahi and I are like childhood friends, there's like 7 years gap between us. We cannot be childhood friends. My first time I stepped into Ranchi, first time was after marriage. Like in 2010, like 7th of July on his birthday. I first came to Ranchi. But people say we are childhood friends, we studied in the same school, our parents are friends, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, theek hai, like still like leading media houses say that. And I'm like, what is this rubbish?
But how does he react to rumors, Sakshi? Is there like a mental block saying, okay, or you've decided, Subha, something is going to be said in the paper, something is going to be tweeted, meme is going to happen, I'll be prepared. Is he also like that?
See, the thing is, when you have that social media exposure, you have to be mentally prepared to be trolled or to be praised or whatever. There's like, so everybody has their opinions, everybody has their views. People like you, people hate you. You cannot do anything about it, which is fine. So when you're on like Instagram or Twitter, whatever you're writing your own opinion. So if people troll you, it's fine. Like, I mean, to be honest. And Mahi and I, we really don't follow up on news or Twitter. Even that day when that hashtag was 2 days ago, when that hashtag was trending, one of my friends, she messaged me she's like, what is this going on? Like, really close friend, okay? He also knows how we don't respond, we don't react. So she's like, it's been trending since afternoon. I'm like, what bullshit? Then I don't know, some kida happened, so I and then I deleted it.
We love that about you.
And started saying, "Arey, this hashtag, don't delete it. The hashtag is bad." I said, "Okay." Then I deleted it, but the job was done. The message was put out.
Yeah, I think then everyone started saying, "No, never retires. No, he never retires." But yeah, I think
upset people because every time something happens, like Mahi, any movement of his, I start getting calls because everybody has my number. So, instead of answering each and every one of them, I just put it up on Twitter. It's easier. Otherwise, I get bombarded with messages and calls.
Yeah. Yeah, no, understandable so.
Yeah.
Understandably so. And it's, I mean, the way you guys handle it, of course, is,
I will write so much about him, and he's like, poor thing. He's like, just like low profile. He's had zero, like during this lockdown, he's had zero presence on social media, not spoken to anybody. I don't know, like still people keep writing. It's funny. Like I don't know what it is, but
yeah, no, understandable. So I think it's a way of someone trying to get your attention. I think
yeah,
that's why they try to do that.
yeah, I get.
But yeah, understandably so. But moving on, Sakshi, I wanted to ask about Ziva, of course.
Hmm.
Amazing bundle of joy. I used to keep bumping into her at breakfast, and obviously, superb to interact and talk to. How has motherhood been? How has that journey been for you?
It's been fun actually. Like, you feel like first couple of months the baby doesn't move, doesn't talk. You're like, when will she talk? When will she move? And the moment she starts talking, then you're like, why did she start talking? She talks. Mahi has come to a conclusion that, oh, she talks more than you, Sakshi. I'm like, okay, that's fine. It's good, right? He
Yeah,
said,
it's good.
no, but to be honest, both of us we are having a tough time because she talks a lot. Like obviously this is that age also she's learning and all. But yeah, it's been tough. But it's been fun
I'm sure. I mean, this is a cute picture. Again, I wanted you to kind of get a little nostalgic. This is when she didn't talk.
when she didn't talk.
This beautiful memories, of course. But who's
Yeah.
the strict one, Sakshi? Need to be honest here. Is it
My,
you?
not me.
Are you serious?
Yeah, yeah. She only listens to him. So if I'm
Hmm.
telling her to do something, if I'm telling, finish your food quickly or just eat this, eat
Hmm.
vegetables, I'll have to tell her 10 times, including my mother, including Sheila auntie. Okay, we have to tell her like 10 times. Mine will just tell once and it'll happen like this in a jiffy. So
Ooh.
yeah, I basically to put like to make things, I just tell him, like just tell her to do this now, please. And he'll tell her once and she'll do it. Yeah,
Well,
yeah.
you found a way at least. That's good.
Yeah. Only when he's at home. When he's not at home, it's so difficult.
Yeah. Is it difficult? How is it touring then with Ziva? Because I know CSK, you spent almost the entire campaign 2018. We'll, of course, come to that in a bit. But how is touring with Ziva? Is it more difficult or easier?
It's easy. There's so many kids in the
Yeah.
camp. Is the daddy's army, and like it's fun. It's like a family affair, to be
Yeah.
so.
There's another picture I wanted to show you, and this is a very, very cute one because I have to ask you this question that everyone will probably continue to ask. This is what you with Mahi in his long hair days.
No, no, no. That's a wig. They were during a shoot.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
Seriously?
yeah.
So
I think.
he'd already cut his hair by this time.
So luckily, I did not see him with long hair because if I had seen him with that orange long hair, I wouldn't have ever even looked at him. There has to be some aesthetics.
I
So yeah,
wanted you to say this. I wanted you to say this. I was like, yeah. Like, but everybody had that thing about long-haired Mahi. Thoda, matlab, everyone liked that phase also.
John. So John, it sort of suited him that time. But Mahi with long hair with that orange color on top of that was like
Which is the worst haircut he's ever had, according to you?
that orange hair, which I saw luckily like after I like got to know him
Yeah.
and I fell in love with him. After that, I saw his orange hair, so it was fine. I'm like, thank God I only with short hair.
But there's a lot of these talks also. I wanted to ask you, but you were saying when you met him and stuff, I wanted to ask you about your first impressions, of course, because in the movie, obviously there's a particular way in which they portray your romance. And, the fact that you didn't know him then, can you tell
Yeah.
us how it was when you first met? I would like to hear it from you, of course.
You know how it is. It's like a director, they take the liberty to like,
Yeah.
for creativity, whatever, to capture the audience and all that.
Huh.
The first time I met him through a common friend, and
Hmm.
it was my last day of internship at Taj.
Hmm.
Obviously, interning, it was my last day, and I met him through my common friend, and he seemed to be a very regular guy and very like normal. And for me, that time, I didn't follow cricket much because see, I was in a boarding school and then I went to college, so we really did
Hmm.
not have time to follow it. Obviously, we knew Sachin Tendulkar, Dravid, Saurav Ganguly,
Yeah.
and we knew all those players. But that time, I did not know. I knew that there's a Pahadi guy, some guy who's a Pahadi. He's got long hair and he's a Hulk. And my mom, she's a fan of him. And she told me, oh, good Pahadi guy in the team and all that. So that's how I knew of him.
Cute.
Really, I met him. I'm like, Mama, he has got short hair. He doesn't have long hair. And he seemed very normal, regular.
Yeah.
Like, he's a cricket. He didn't have any airs. I don't think so. Any cricketers, they have airs about themselves. They are very humble and they're very good, like, yeah.
Down to earth. Yeah. I think that was,
all down to earth.
yeah, I guess that's exactly what he was like. Did he also always kind of have that, even back then, did he have that, obviously the love for bikes and all that? You did say that he restored some during the lockdown. That's amazing. But what is it about him and video games? Why does he love it so much?
I think it's like a stress buster for him. Yeah, because Mahi's got a thinking brain, to be honest. He's got a thinking brain, it doesn't rest. So I think when he plays video games, be it Call of Duty and be it PUBG or whatever, I think it just helps him divert his mind. That's it. And which is a good thing. I mean, I don't really get irritated till it's got to the bedroom, and nowadays PUBG's encroached my bed. He's talking on, and at times I feel he's talking to me, and then he's on the headphones and he's talking to all the people who are playing.
Yeah.
And then he's sleep talking also about PUBG nowadays.
I love it. I love the fact that that's actually what's like taking charge of the. I mean, it's amazing. Who would have thought, right? But yeah, I mean, understandably so. He loves video gaming, and that's even we know how it is.
I feel it's a good thing. Even I love, but I've been playing poker and playing Ludo, Yella Ludo, because Yella Ludo you can talk and play. Normal Ludo you can't talk and play. Yella Ludo's quick.
Yeah. So, but you also, I mean, come on, Sakshi, during the times that you were with CSK, of course, you were great at TT. You used to keep yourself busy there. Yes, yes.
I remember you playing TT.
Yes.
I remember a lot of people playing TT.
Yeah. We know what we're talking about.
Yeah. I what we're talking. I remember the comment.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So it's good. I think you guys keep yourself busy that way. It's always nice. But yeah, one thing, of course, definitely what I wanted to obviously ask was video gaming, but that's a nice thing. It's interesting. But one picture also I wanted to show Sakshi. This is cute. And I mean, you can talk about all of them, of course. Are the loves of your lives? Okay, sorry, it's inverted, but this is all the names of your dogs.
Yeah.
Those colors. Lily and Sam and
Sam. Zoya.
Yeah. Was there any thinking behind naming the dogs or something like that?
So earlier, Mahi had like 3 dogs: Sam, Zara, Zoya. So they passed away some time ago. So when these new dogs came to us, so we thought we'll keep the same names because we missed them. And plus, a dog's soul, they never die. Dog soul, it's always with you.
Yeah.
They say. So yeah, we renamed them again, the same name we used. And Lily Gabbar was just very random. We were like, okay, she's white husky. Okay, let's call her Lily. And Gabbar was because he's the only male amongst all the female dogs. So yeah, he had to have that name.
Very cute. There's another picture that I wanted to show you, of course, Akshay. This is a very cute one. It went viral, and the love that you got after you put this up was unbelievable. Is this one?
Okay, yeah. Let's not talk about this picture.
No, but then what I want to talk about is CSK and how close you are to that. And it's not just about Mahi and CSK. It's about you and CSK also. And that's a connect that is priceless.
So I think the timing of that picture was not when CSK was not, they were not playing. We won't talk about that. But yeah, so I think with CSK, it's always been a very nice, like pleasant affair with them. And Mahi's been playing with them since obviously before we got married.
Yeah.
Just it's just very nice to be part of that entire family and travel and watch. And even when these guys suppose they've had a bad day, the owners and the franchisee people, they come and support the boys and they're like, no, it's okay, it's fine. And they take the sport. So there's no hard feelings.
Mhm.
It's a sport. Somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. But yeah, for CSK, I think it's obviously they're such a good team and we've always had good memories.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
want to obviously particularly ask about 2018, Sakshi, because that was an emotional year. We know that. I mean, there's a picture, of course, I want to show you also at the when CSK won and how you reacted. Dhoni was teary-eyed in that first dinner that he came. How emotional was that year for both of you?
So luckily, I wasn't there for that dinner. I was still in Ranchi that time.
You're not
So
coming yet, yeah.
when I'm teary-eyed, I would have howled and cried, and it happens automatically. But luckily, I wasn't there. But yes, after 2 years, when you're coming back, and when your team, you're like, CSK is being called, oh, everybody's so old. Everybody are like, everybody has whatever their daddies and they're old, and what will this team do, and blah blah blah. So after all that, finally they won, and obviously it was a good feeling after 2 years coming back and winning, starting with a bang actually.
Have you ever seen Mahi being emotional about cricket prior to that?
Yeah, Mahi's always emotional about cricket. It's his love, so he's always emotional. So for me, it was emotional. It was last. I remember we won was Champions Trophy when Ziva was in my tummy. So I was that was last of trophy. Then I think when Ziva was few months old, then the team got banned, and then finally 2018 was like old enough to see who have like especially see her father and like rest of everybody like what cricket is, what a sport is, to witness all that
Yeah.
winning and side both for it also. It's a good exposure.
Yeah, it is. It is nice to see her like that. But obviously, which was your first ever experience of watching a cricket match where Mahi was playing Sakshi? Was it CSK? Was that the first time?
No, my first was back in my college days. I was in Bombay. I had like so I think Bragon Stadium, there was a
Yeah.
test.
Yeah.
So I was there, and his old manager Yudhajit Datta was there that time, and even was there like a couple of people. So I had only gone to see Mahi, to be honest. Okay. So he was wicket keeping, India was fielding, and I see like we were behind the wicket. So Mahi was right. Why has he gone to the other side?
Hmm.
Because I did not know they used to change sides after
Yeah.
every six. On TV, if you see the
You
bowlers
can't tell.
all the time, the bowlers bowling out.
Yeah.
So yeah, I was a bit confused. So yeah, people after that, it was fine. Like then they told me, explain me, oh, you don't know this. I'm like, listen, yeah, it's fine if I don't know. And I still don't know the field placements and all that. I don't know a lot of things. I don't need to know also. It's fine.
Just a few more questions. I know that you have other stuff you have to get to. So just a few more questions before we wrap up, of course, Sakshi. Um, one thing, of course, is that a lot of people don't know this. During the time that you guys travel at CSK, Mahi's door is always open.
Yeah.
Everyone's coming in. Everyone says only one thing, that you're the most hospitable, you're most accommodating, you like invite people, you're like, yeah, cool, come anytime. Anyone can walk in, you'll order food, you'll just how is that experience and how has it been for you to kind of adjust to that kind of a way of things?
So, this has been since we got married actually. Since 2010, yeah. Yeah, because I remember the first tour with CSK was South Africa again, I think Champions Trophy, and obviously Sri Lanka tour, a lot of tours. Like straight after marriage was Sri Lanka. So Mahi's always kept his door open. He's always told me that fine, we are married, the door it'll always remain open. So I said, that's fine. He said, yeah, in your night suit. Just don't be in a night suit, just be nicely dressed because the door will always remain open. I said, that's fine. When people come and everybody, I mean, I like to feed people. You feel people, it's been like that since 2010. The door has always been open during the tours, and people come. We sit up till 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. I time, you know how the time is. At times we eat breakfast and then we sleep. So yeah,
Yeah,
people
of
are
course.
in a throughout. So they come to talk to Mahi and all that. And when they talk to Mahi, I sort of go away when they talk about cricket, so that they get to talk to him. That's it. Otherwise, most of the time, so we're just chilling together. That's
Yuzvendra Chahal is like dying to say hi to you. He wants to
it.
play Ludo with you apparently.
Yalla
He's like,
Ludo, not
"Bhabhi ji, Ludo में challenge करता हूँ इसे."
I- okay. Challenge.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's saying we miss you. But truly, how much do you and MS miss CSK at this point, Sakshi?
We of course miss CSK. We've always
Yeah,
all these days we are still wondering whether IPL is going to happen or not.
I'm sure will.
But
I'm sure.
yeah, so yeah, we do miss CSK, and like my daughter also, she's like, when will it happen? And we're like, oh, let's see.
Yeah, let's hope. Of course, everyone's asking where's Mahi. Mahi is getting clothes that might get wet. He's just getting them inside. That's what I think I've done.
Good one, yeah. No, you know Mahi, how he is. Like just for everybody to know, Mahi won't really come on talk on Insta live, and he's had pressure to post videos on coronavirus and all, but he hasn't, because if your PM said something, you jolly well follow it, and nobody's bigger than your PM right now in the country. So yeah, that's why he's not done all of these promotions and all these like, not promotions, sorry, wrong word, but yeah, like he's not instated anything on social media.
Very sweet, but that was nice. Thanks. I'm sorry, I was just kind of seeing some more messages that were coming, but it's that's cool. I mean, I understand this. It's actually very sweet if you actually say this as well. I'm sure they've all. I mean, they always love you.
Understand that, like, knowing Mahi, like, I know they're crazy about it. They'll know that he's always kept a low profile on social media. Look at his Instagram, like how many pictures has he posted? Just look
Yeah,
at
the
that.
cutest one, by the way, was the one that I had taken of both of you sleeping at the airport before boarding that flight.
You don't sleep all night. People are in a room.
It was a late finish, and we were leaving the very next day in the morning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then we were early afternoon, morning,
It
late
was
morning.
no early for us because we slept. We didn't sleep all night. No.
Obviously, yeah, understandable. Thank you, thank you, thank you, so much for joining. I mean, I know if we talk, we'll just keep talking because it's always great catching up with you. Seriously. Just one question: post lockdown, what are the things that you or MS and Zio, what is it that you want to do? Maybe before we wrap up.
So see, if there's cricket, there'll be cricket. But if there's no cricket post lockdown, then Mahi and I have planned to hit the hills. We'll go to Uttarakhand, go trekking, go like in the snow. Like Mahi loves snow. He loves hills. He doesn't like beaches. So we are planning to go to Uttarakhand and like go to like small villages there, stay there. So yeah, that's our plan. Yeah, that's. But yeah, they're not going to travel by foot. They're going to do all like road trips now because I think it'll be safer. Yeah.
Yeah, and more fun actually. You'll see the place as you're going. I think that's a nicer experience.
So yeah, that's all.
So nice talking to you, Sakshi. I really wish we see each other in person rather than on video calls.
I know, so much to talk about.
Yeah, but thank you so much for doing this. Lots and lots of love to you, MS Ziva, of course, goes without saying.
Thank
And
you.
take care,
How's
of course.
Sriram doing? No, what's his name? Swami?
Murli.
Murli. How's Murli doing?
He's fine. Perfectly fine. By the way, we just completed 10.
What? Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
This month.
Wish him from my. Hope you are not troubling.
He sends his love as well. But yeah, so nice chatting with you, and really, really see you soon, and hope things all pan out well.
Yeah. Fingers crossed. Yeah. See you. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much, guys. I know it was difficult to catch a bit of Mahi. Sakshi was saying all the relatives are there and everyone's busy, so needed to keep them occupied as well. So to the kids. So thank you so much for being here. It's been awesome, and I hope you enjoyed this short conversation with Sakshi and kind of probably gave you a little more insight into her, the person, and her along with the family. So thank you so much, and of course keep watching this space and of course my page for more. Unbeaten Lions is not gonna end here. Of course, that's our journey that's continuing. Of course, so too your love for CSK and Chennai. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely weekend, and of course, see you soon.